What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. So y'all see today is track day, man. Like I said, we're taking Big Dolo to the track. This time we're gonna really let it eat, cause we're going to the middle of Georgia. We going to the middle of Georgia, so spinning not about to be an issue. I can tell y'all that now. I hollered at my fam Sam, man. Hustle hard performing, man. He's been cool for a long time, man. If y'all been watching my video, y'all know he was the driver of the Black Widow Monte Carlo. I'm gonna let Sam make the first hit in it, cause they're my fam, and he can drive the wheels off the thing. So, and I want to get y'all a good video, cause I know what it's about to do. A good daytime video, and I can't put nobody else in the car on the gas beside myself. So, I'm gonna Sam gonna meet me down there. He gonna make the first hit. We coming straight out the trailer. I can get y'all a good video, good thumbnail, cause I want to see this thing from the front, man. I want to see how Big Dolo finna jump out the gym, cause I already know what's finna happen. So. That's what we got going on. Sam gonna make the first hit, then I'm gonna come back around. I'm gonna come right back around and make a motor hit, cause it's gonna go faster on motor, cause it's gonna be getting total traction. And then I'm probably gonna take the 6s, or am I? I ain't doing all that. Y'all have to say that for another video. That's too much work. But we're gonna make 2 passes, man. I tell y'all that. We'll make 2 passes. Somebody get beside me, they get beside me. They don't, they don't. It is what it is. But we're gonna see 2 passes, man. Like I said, I'm going so I can get the real ticket. The real ticket before we step the kit up. Cause it's gonna go even faster then. So I'm about to get these 6s off of here. Make quick work of that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and hook the trailer up. And go ahead and load Dolo up, man. And I'll just be waiting, cause we getting up out of here, man. I might be one of the first one on the track. So y'all just stay tuned. Catch y'all. Got Big Dolo back on the track shoes, man. So I'm finna let this thing cool off a little bit, cause I crunk it up, move it back. So I'm gonna let it completely cool off. Then I'm gonna change the spark plug, which I got plenty of time. I get about an hour to cool down. Then come out here, change the spark plugs, have some fresh set of plugs in it, put 5 gallons of gas in it in the main tank. The 1 gallon already straight. It take a long time to use that, run that 1 gallon out when you spraying nitrate. Like I said, it really lasts a long time, cause when you spraying nitrate, it don't use but a little bit of gas. So the 1 gallon still full of 116. We good right there. I'm gonna put a little bit of 114 in the fuel cell. And the only reason I run 114 cause I run 93 in it, and it break it down, so it get the octane rating be perfect or whatever. Especially when I be done ran pure 93 in here, I always run 114, and that's what I've been running in the car lately, just straight 93, full 93 octane or whatever. So I like, man, and you know, I usually try to keep a little gas in it, but over the last couple of days I tried to run the gas down, cause you know that weight, it's extra weight you carry. So I ain't gonna put but like 2 gallons of 114 in it. I ain't trying to put a lot of weight back there, and yeah, we're gonna be ready. So I ain't gonna film none of that, obviously. But the next time I cut y'all on, car probably gonna be on the trailer more than likely. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all, checking in. Made it to Middle Georgia Motorsport Park. About to see what Big Dolo do, man. For the first time, finally, man. Got here on time, at a decent time, man. Nothing happened and all this. So you know, I'm finna get this thing unloaded, man. And then the track ain't even go hot yet, so I got about 10 minutes before the track go hot. So I'm gonna get this thing unloaded, then make 1 hit on motor car. My fam Sam ain't here yet. I was gonna make the nitrate out the trailer, but he ain't here, so I might as well make a motor hit first. And then when he get here, we'll do the nitro hit. So y'all just stay. All right, y'all, checking in. About to go ahead and make the first hit. Make a motor hit. Get some good heat in the motor. My fam Sam on the way. So he'll be here in about 30 minutes. So let's get it. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. So, boy, this a bad night, man. I talked too soon. This a bad night, man. The brakes is locked up over there. That's why the wheel turned, man. I just pulled the car forward. It pulling the whole car to the left, man. The brake locked up. So I ain't get time to change the caliper hole, and that's all I can think of. The caliper hole must have done collapsed. Cause it ain't leaking no brake fluid or nothing, but it about to burn that caliper up again if it ain't burned up already. So can't do nothing like that, man. I mean, it fighting the car cause the brakes engaged right there in the front, but the rest on free. And they fire hot too. They fire hot, man. I mean, you can feel the rotors or whatever. Their rotor is fire hot over there. That one cool, you know. And I'm supposed to get hot like that, but I don't know, y'all. We're gonna see what it do. So y'all. All right, y'all. So it's the next day, man. It went on needing making that video a full video call. Didn't shake at the track, but look. Can't even turn it. It's locked down so tight. Can't even turn it, man. So I'm gonna open the bleeder screw, relieve that pressure so I can turn it. And the caliper hole gotta be collapsing, cause that's how they work. I mean, the fluid gotta go back in to the reservoir for the piston to come back and release. So it's not allowing it to happen. So I guarantee that what's going on. So y'all stay tuned. Checking in, y'all checking in. So y'all see the brakes, the caliper had locked down tight at the track. So I put this on video too. I've been had the caliper hole, but I was scared to mess with it. But I got it freed up with Core PB Blaster. WD-40, I tried everything. Let it soak for 2 days, but I got it broke loose with the grip pliers or whatever. So, boy, it been, y'all just don't know, 3 days. 3 days waiting on this. But I like, man, I'm gonna go and see whatever gonna happen, gonna happen. I like either gonna break or it ain't. I'm gonna have to replace. So got it broke loose. Finna get the caliper hole changed and then get wife out here. She can pump the brake, we can bleed them. That should fix the problem, y'all. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, so do what I got going on. Man, I done cross threaded the caliper, man. I knew I should have took the caliper out, man. It's easy to thread it. You gotta go, that thing gotta go in there precise, man. So I done cross threaded the caliper, man. So $25, man. But I gotta go get another one, so it is what it is. We got the I got the holes on there though. It's crazy. The part I worried about was the easier part, and then I messed around and did something like that. It was crazy. But I'm finna just dry a brown coat since I got it out. So I'm finna hop in it, go get another caliper, which I mean quick change it, and I gotta take it off anyway. And I'm gonna go ahead and change the brakes on the driver's side too, since I had changed the brakes on the passenger side since I went new, even though they didn't need them, so they had even wear. So yeah, what we got going on, man. Headed to the parts store, and I gotta get me some more gloves too, man. I got to have them rubber gloves, so gonna do that and get back and get this thing wrapped up, and hopefully they fix the problem. So gonna turn y'all back on. All right, y'all, we back from AutoZone. That old brown coat out there looking good, boy. Looking like a piece of candy, man. Looking like, boy, a brown coat out there looking like a what you call that candy? A Jolly Rancher Tootsie Roll. That's what it looking like, boy. Good God Almighty. Hey, I'm talking about, y'all know them Tootsie Roll be chocolate, but them Jolly Ranchers just be see-through, man. Transparent. That thing like a Jolly Rancher Tootsie Roll, man. That's what brown coat look like. Hey, they're gonna be brown coat nickname, man. Jolly Rancher Tootsie Roll. God Almighty, boy. But anyway, I had to get me some more gloves, man. These gloves so high. I said, let me try these out. They're a little cheaper. Same properties, different color. I'm like, man, you pay more money for the color? Like, what is it? I don't know. Or either that they thinner, cause these thicker. These a little thicker. But it don't matter. They're gonna get the job done. These gloves too high, man. They overpricing. So I got to paint the caliper up again. I do all this over again. We got the new one. This time we definitely ain't gonna cross thread it. I gotta take it off real now. So I'm finna do that, man. I'm finna get that thing switched over. I ain't gonna have to show y'all all that. And I'm gonna check back in with y'all. All right, y'all, we checking back in. So y'all see I got this thing finally put back together after fighting with that caliper hose. I ain't gonna tell y'all no lie. I had it flipped. I had it on the wrong side, basically. It's a certain way you gotta put it. I'm gonna just say that. Certain way you gotta put it. I'm moving too fast. I'm trying to get this junk done. And I was flipping the caliper hose on the wrong way, and it kept leaking. Every time I pressed the brake, it was shooting fluid out. All that good stuff. So you know, anyway. Wife came out here, we bled the brakes. The caliper is not locking up anymore, so the caliper hose was bad. It would collapse. And it's going to parts heavy now, so it's gone. But we good right there now. Dolo back straight. He back situated 100%. So I said the next time I go to the track, I'm gonna keep these on and go, but I'm probably gonna end up putting my wheels on, and y'all gonna end up getting the first video on the wheels. Cause the event I'm gonna go to Shut Up and Race. It's a little Halloween thing they got going on. I'm gonna take the car on the wheels down there, cause like I said, I already know what this thing gonna do on the slicks and radials. I mean, especially on the bottle, it ain't gonna do nothing on the bottle, not down there. So I'm gonna put the 60 back on, and we're gonna get the first run on the 60, man. I need a ticket anyway. We're gonna get the first run on the 60. I know I'm gonna have to, it ain't gonna be the most impressive car, it ain't dialed in and all that good stuff. But you know, like I said, progress. Gave y'all the video, I show y'all the good, the bad, the ugly. You know, we had the brakes locked up and all that, so stuff happened, man. I just hate, I went to the track, I ain't get a chance to run, but that part of it, man, still happened. Like I said, I went down there, all I got to do was a burnout, cause the brake was locked down, and I just saw the footage the other day. I just now saw that the tire was sliding, the footage that my friend Jeremy caught, cause he was on the passenger side, and wifey was on the driver's side for him. So I saw the tie slide, they were locked down tight. Y'all already saw it by now, but we got that fixed. Good to go. I supposed to take the car to to originally get that fixed, but I get it situated myself because I was scared of messing with that steel line, but I ended up getting it off. So I might call and see if I can still bring it, and then he just do the in between stuff, like the little. I need the window motor over there. Then we need to find out why the running lights not coming on no more. The electrical stuff basically. So I might see if Unc want to do that. If he do, I probably still load this thing up and take it over there to him on the trailer. Cause like I said, I would drive it. Ain't got no running lights though at night. Got brake lights now, no running light. And it used to be vice versa. But let me see. I got time loaded up, man. So I'm gonna have to switch all this stuff around, hook trailer up and all that good stuff, and then probably get that thing on over there. So y'all just, well, they're gonna be it. That's it, man. That's it for this video. They're gonna be a whole nother video if I take it over there. So man, I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.